There's a reason that I got so angry when I was writing in Bolivia. Once I realized how logic was mathematical logic and systems based on truth values, how they were being used, not consciously even, but just the consequences of thinking like that, which render you unable to reason about possibility. Modal logic then becomes a whole big issue, and it's just too hard. The reason I got annoyed or angry was that it seemed like it seemed deliberate. If you reason about what is, if you think that what is necessary, the possibility of changing things is beyond reason. That's the problem. You can't say human nature is such that people will do X. That is not valid reasoning. Unless you preface it with something like, because human beings are automata, and because the environment in which they are embedded is deterministic, then. But neither of these things are the case. And the good thing about human nature is that it defines itself. It's education. We create our reality in schools. Although quite what we've been creating in schools in the last 10 or 15 years, I don't know.